of water, and this you can actually see as this is the main spot of Haritavanam. So ikkada meeku chuttu water undandi, and you have some spot like on the floor you can have some snacks and you can enjoy this view, and you can see here. ఫ్రెండ్స్, బర్డ్ సౌండ్స్ చాలా ప్లెజెంట్గా ఉన్నాయి. ఫ్రెండ్స్, see this bird. Friends, I think this bird is playing with me. It's actually went away, flew away and came back again. So it's looking so wonderful. The bird sounds seem to be so soothing and so pleasant. Hey friends, ikkada oka blue color bird undi. So I cannot zoom it. Blue color. And the sounds are so beautiful. I think we will get lost in this wonderful, soothing, relaxing sounds of birds. There is no need of any relaxing or meditation music, friends. Seems to be so wonderful. Chudandi, a landscapes meeda, water meeda, you can actually listen the birds and you can get lost in this beautiful landscape. Friends, akada dooramga you can see a small bird in the water. It is blue in color. Friends, akada long low you can see all the birds sitting on a rope, where we have that rope cycling kante mundu birds unnai, and you can listen this sounds of birds where they are all sitting up at nest, and I wanted this to get shoot. How beautiful is this, friends? Bird lovers, I think they will love it.